Class 8th. In this video, we will solve question C of exercise 7.2. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. There are 6 parts in this question. First part is 128. We will do prime factors of 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. So prime factors of 128 are 7 times 2 in multiply. Now we'll make triplets of 2 into 2 into 2 and next triplet 2 into 2 into 2. And we observe that this 2 is not in triplet, so the smallest number is 2, by which 128 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now we will solve second part of this 192. We will do prime factors of 192. 2 9s are 18, 1 to 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 192 are 6 times 2 and 1 time 3. Now we will do triplets. We will make triplets of 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2. Next triplet. And we observe that this 3 not in triplet, so the smallest number is 3, by which 192 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now we will solve third part of this 704. We will do prime factors of 704. 2 3s are 6, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 5 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 to 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11 1s are 11. So prime factors of 704 is 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. We observe that this 11 is not in triplet, so the smallest number is 11, by which 704 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now we will solve fourth part of this 1600. We will do prime factors of 1600. 2 8s are 16, 0 0, 2 4s are 8, 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 0 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So prime factors of 1600 equal to 6 times 2 and 2 times 5. In multiply, we observe that 5 into 5 not in triplet, so the smallest number is 5 into 5 equal to 25, by which 1600 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube number. Now we will solve fifth part of this 6655. We will do prime factors of 6655. It can be divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 6 16, 5 3s are 15, 1 5 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. It can be divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11, 2 3 23, 11 2s are 22, 1 1 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 1 1 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11. So prime factors of 6655 is equal to 5 into 5, 5 into 11 into 11 into 11, 1 time 5 and 3 times 11 in multiply, and we will make triplet of 11. We observe that this 5 is not in triplet, so the smallest number is 5, by which 6655 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now we will solve sixth part of this 64827. We will do prime factors of 64,827. It can be divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 1 8 18, 3 6 are 18. 2 is not divisible by 3. So we will take next digit 7. It will be 27. 3 9s are 27. By putting 0 here. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 1 to 12. 3 4s are 12. 0 as it is. 3 1s are 3. 7 3s are 21. 3 0 30. 7 4s are 28. 2 1 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 6 3 63. 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So prime factors of 64,827 is equal to 3 times 3 and 4 times 7 in multiply. Now we will make triplet of 3 into 3 into 3. First triplet and second triplet is 7 into 7 into 7. And we observe that this 7 is not in triplet. So the smallest number is 7, by which 64,827 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube.